Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Forest Elementary School in Farmington Hills, Michigan, home of the Rockstars, and just an absolutely beautiful morning, getting to share my heart with all the students, grades K through 5, students and staff right here in the gymnasium. And the primary focus for today was bullying. The sub-theme was look at the heart first. And one of the picture slides that you see here on the screen is a heart that's getting repaired. And so we always have a choice, with our words and actions to either uplift or to tear down. We know that our heart is as big as our fist, so we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here. We can turn this into this peace sign, right? Where one finger is yourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself by how you choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, 1, 2. One breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action. What we say or do could either potentially stand someone's heart in a positive way forever or a negative way for the rest of their life. So we always have this choice and this conscious effort to hopefully always try our hardest to treat people the way that we want to be treated, right? To treat them with kindness and respect and compassion. And we know that it's true that one of the biggest reasons that bullying happens, at least from my experience, is that hurt people, right? It's easier to push the pain on someone else if we're hurting or, not feeling the best. But it takes more courage and strength to be able to rise above that hate, show love to ourselves and others, and become healed people who heal people, right? To choose to be that best friend and see someone for this before anything else, right? And again, it's not easy. A lot of students come up to me and say, Mr. Peace, if I show kindness, well, that means I'm being weak. But I think it's the opposite, right? It takes more courage or strength to do or say something kind than it does to say something mean or to throw a punch, right? So we can always hopefully come back to wanting to really think about what we say, what we do, how it affects someone, because it's not always bullying that stays on someone's heart forever. It's those one-time actions, right? And those one-time words, right? Bullying is a repeated action over and over again on purpose to get power over someone. But the things that aren't bullying, just those 2 seconds, can either build up or they can destroy. And so the students really got that. We had a lot of pin drop moments today. Had a lot of students that shared their heart with me after, said that something touched their heart. And I said, well, that's great, because that means you have a big heart. And now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward, right? We never have to go this alone. And a lot of times we maybe think that we're not worth everything, or we hear someone else's opinion about us, even something that we can't change. Maybe that's how we're born. But at the end of the day, your true friends, your best friends are going to see us for our heart before anything else, but also for this too. And this is something I bring up at every assembly. It's so important to me. But all of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M. I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it, right? We have at least one in each hand. And that M stands for miracle. Like the front of the shirt that I'm wearing today. I wear this for this particular program. Upside down W stands for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe that and buy into that, now it's our job to go out into the world and be that light to someone else's heart, right? That maybe has never been told that or needs a reminder. And again, the students really did take this to heart. And it's so amazing for me to see our young people want to be the change, want to choose kindness each and every day. And so again, just amazing time here at Forest for my first time visit. So hopefully something did touch your heart. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.